Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So I'm doing a comparison today. If you're not familiar with these, they're both monthly subscriptions. If you're a car guy like me, or a car girl, this is definitely for you. It's different clothing every month. Comes with different other random stuff as well. Stickers, hats, sweatshirts, cars. It comes with a ton of different stuff. So if you're not familiar with TunerCrate, this is TunerCrate. They do different boxes every so often. They've been doing even more and more different designing. So obviously this theme is Toyo Tire. This is TunerCult, which is different but still clothing. So we'll do this one last. So let's check out TunerCrate. So if you're not familiar with TunerCrate, it's about $60 for the mystery crate, which is what I get. This is their, I think, the premium crate, mystery crate as well. I always get the top of the line one, whatever that one is. But they do, TunerCrate does different subscriptions. I think TunerCult does the same thing where you have different levels. Different levels comes with different items. The cheaper it is, the less stuff you come with. The top of the line comes with everything. So it's kind of cool. TunerCrate comes with 2 shirts, then a 3rd shirt that's either a long sleeve shirt, sweatshirt, or a t-shirt, but it's usually better quality than the other 2 shirts sometimes. So far anyway, it's been that way. It's winter, so most likely one of them is a sweatshirt. I haven't taken a sneak peek at all, so I really don't know what this is going to come with, but I'm assuming a sweatshirt. So it comes with a City of Angels, April 29th, and this is Los Angeles Convention Center. I don't live in LA. I don't live anywhere near it. I'm on the other coast. I live in Maryland, so this doesn't do me any good. If anyone lives near it, I don't know if this is a ticket or this is just telling me about it. No, it's just telling you if you can register for it and you can get $3 off. I guess I'll put the code in the description. So you can get money off as well. So TunerCrate gave me, I believe, a 50% off code. So if you check it out in the description, it'll be all in there for you. So the first thing we have, sweet, is their sweatshirts. Now I love their sweatshirts. They are comfortable. The only thing that I suggest is be careful how you wash them because they do shrink. And I normally wear a medium. I need to ask them for a large for the sweatshirt if that's the case. But there's the back of it. So you have the Toyo tires, and then you have the different insignia on the back of it for TunerCrate. Simple design. Got the pockets. So that's awesome. The next thing we have, so they have different themes as well. So you can get different colored shirts. There's different color options that you might get. Different muscle car, JDM. There's different things in that aspect as well. So you don't really know exactly what you're gonna get. Unless you order like the JDM box or the American Muscle box. So there's also that theme. So here's the shirt, love it. Look at that, so beautiful. The next shirt we have is going to be the shirt. This shirt matches the car that's on the box. So I definitely like this color. There's definitely a lot of different options for the colors. So now there's a few other things in here, and I don't know if this was the rare one. Someone please let me know. I know there was only a few people that were gonna get a certain car. I'll have to go look back, but I heard rumor about it. So, oh yeah, Gran Turismo. And it's only, I guess, 4 of 5 for the Lamborghini. I guess there's different ones that you can get. There's the different options that you can get. So, don't know if this is a rare one or not. You'll have to let me know. Then the next thing is Toyo Tire socks. Definitely love socks. I'm a sock guy. Then you've got your microfiber towel. Always comes in handy. You've got your scent, so you can hang that from your mirror, put it in your car. Toyo Tire sticker. Sorry, as the camera tries to autofocus on me. Then you have the Toyo tire pin. And then you have the TunerCrate Toyo tire collab. So on one side says Toyo tires, on the inside it says TunerCrate. So that's cool. You got the lanyard. So I can definitely use this for work. So that's everything for the TunerCrate. Now, let's check out TunerCult. So this is my first time getting TunerCult. I've never gotten it before. So I don't know. It is definitely well wrapped. I love how the packaging is well. But this is definitely well wrapped, and I didn't bring keys, so let's improvise and use this. Thank you, TunerCrate, for helping me open TunerCult. So that was well taped closed. Oh wow, okay. So this one tells me, cheers, thank you for your order, packaged with love by Jay. So thank you, Jay. It tells you who actually did it. So this is how it looks. Their saying is in speed we trust. That's their main slogan. Wow. So we have a poster, I believe. I'm not going to open this. I'll open this at the end. So we have the TunerCult member sticker, which is weird because normally TunerCrate comes with a sticker for their TunerCrate, so I'm not sure. Also, normally TunerCrate comes at the different, depending on where you live, it comes at different times within the month. I used to get my TunerCrate at the beginning of every month, but for some reason this month it just came yesterday, and I don't understand why it came so late. Before I would get it like before the month started sometimes, or the first day of the month. So it's kind of like, why did I get it so late while other people have already gotten it? TunerCult, I guess, is always towards the end of the month, but again, I'm not for sure. It could be based on when you ordered it. And so this is definitely Fast and the Furious themed, because here's a tuna no crust. Then we've got the nice car going on here from Fast and the Furious. There's nothing on the back. Still, they're good quality shirts. They're not like cheap shirts. God, there's a lot of shirts in this. So this one's coming with 4 shirts, as it looks like. So, dude, I almost had you. Yeah, no, you didn't. But, and then the last one, you have Dom's nice, God, look at that beautiful car. Oh, it's so amazing. So I love their shirts, and that's everything that it came with. So let's check out what this is. Look how well wrapped this is. I'm almost afraid to open this. They really packaged this in. So it's a poster of some kind, but there's so much paper. Oh man, okay, come on. I don't want to rip the poster. Ah, so you have the TunerCult GTR. So you have a poster of their car. So that's everything that the TunerCult came with. So you tell me. I'm a fan of both. So I can't say I prefer one over the other because I like both of them. I just like differences, different shirts all the time, and that. This one comes with more shirts. This one comes with more shirts. It looks like the TunerCult. TunerCrate comes with like 2 shirts, but then it comes with a sweatshirt or like a nicer shirt. So that 2 t-shirts would equate to like the sweatshirt, so hence why 4 shirts to the 3. So it's kind of do a comparison in that way. They both come with the stickers. I love slap stickers. I've actually ordered 2 packs from a website that comes with a bunch of stuff, stickers for my garage. On that note, I hope you like my videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Which TunerCrate or TunerCult, which do you prefer? I'm getting another 2 months of the TunerCult. I ordered the 3-month subscription. The TunerCrate, you can only get month to month. Unless they change that, I would love to pay for like a year up front and not worry about it and have it paid for. But unfortunately, that's not how they do it. They do it month to month. TunerCult, you can do month to month, or you could get it a little bit cheaper by buying it in like 3 months. If they did 6 months, I would have done 6 months. If they did a year, I actually would have done a year and then let it end, because I have so many shirts. My closet's just growing. So again, take it easy. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and take care.